Hello everyone, it's Hanny. Well, I'm planning to make my Halloween journal. Zoom a bit out, like so. And what I want to do is, the first thing I want to do is make or choose a cover in which I want to make that journal. Well, this is the cover I found the most suitable for that, but it's very small, and I printed my kit on A4 paper. I have to cut it a bit smaller because my printer doesn't print the edges. So I will cut it in a bit smaller size, but then it's too big for this book. So I can do two things. I can change another cover, like this one. I like this one too. I'm not sure how, but I don't think it's going to be a very thick journal. Or I can make my own journal and use this cover. I'm not sure about that, but I have plenty, little ones, big ones, mostly old covers, a few new ones, but these are not. Okay, so I'm sure I can't, one moment, I have not room enough to put it away, so now I did. The first thing I want to do is cutting these pages in the right size. So I will start with that. So I cut the papers I printed in the right size. I think I'm going to print more, so I have more signatures. And what I'm going to do is I have those tags. And I printed it on some thicker paper, and I want to have a background for them. So I think I'm going to paint my own background because I don't have Halloween paper or cardboard or whatever in the right colors. So I think I'm going to paint my own, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do that on deli paper or on plain paper or cardboard, but I think I'm going to do it on this paper, and then if I want to use it, I can glue it on cardstock or cardboard, so the paper is something thicker. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to paint a piece of deli paper. So that's almost dry, not quite, but I can stamp. I got some stamps, mostly homemade stamps I made, and I think these fit with Halloween. So I will stamp a bit in black and a few black drips, and then dry it, and then I think it's ready. So the background paper is ready, and I did it on deli paper because I can put colored paper behind it if I want to, and you get this look if you put red and white, that look, and tea-dyed paper. Well, you get, this is not so dark, but you get a bit like this. So I think I'm going to use tea-dyed paper. I have some prints that didn't print well. I looked them up. This was too dark, so I could use that, like so. And I love that color because it's fitting more with the color of the tags I made, and I want to use it as a background on this tags. So I will glue some on this paper, and then glue it on the tags. So I'm getting this. Yes, that's what I'm going to do now. So that's one tag. I will, one moment, sorry for reaching. I will ink the edges like so. I could do it with another color, like green or yellow or orange. Maybe that would look nice too. But I think I'm going to try that. What is this? Wild honey. I have to search the yellow. I have, oh, I have that in, I don't know which one I have to use for that. Where is it? I know I have an orange one, but not in distress, I think. So I think I have Stazon in that color. Yes, pumpkin. Well, I'm going to use pumpkin then. Oh. With another, like so. Yes, I like that. And sorry for reaching again. So for the whole tip. So I'm going to use these two colors and maybe some green. I'm not sure. Well, I have to try that out. Try that first. But this is a tag. One of the tags. I will cut out all the I will cut out all the tags now. So I'm ready with that. And then I'll be back. So I cut them out all, and the corners with Stazon Cactus Green I used, and I used Stazon Pumpkin to go around the tags and the coins and the, yeah, that was it. and I did the holes with a cotton tip. I don't know how you call it, but that's an easy way to do the holes. So, and these are the backgrounds. So my tags are ready, the base is ready. I'm going to, well, I'm not sure what to do with them, but they are going to be used in my journal. So I put these aside and for later. And now I will start with the journal, I think. Yeah. Well, I'll be back next time. Bye!